Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the massive breakout of the Bitcoin pennant that could potentially be the bottom for Bitcoin. I'm just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. Today, what we have to do here is look at this market realistically, because I feel like 99% of market participants that are left in crypto right now are extremely delusional. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I love to follow the US dollar index chart, as I personally believe it's one of the most important charts in all of crypto. And right now, this thing is continuing to rocket ship higher, putting noticeable pressure on the Bitcoin price. Throughout past cycles, we've seen a declining US dollar index benefit the Bitcoin price greatly. In our last two bull runs, back in 2016/2017 and back here in 2020/2021, we had a massively declining US dollar index chart. The US dollar index was in a bear market and crypto was in a bull market. And now, my friends, we have quite the opposite. The DXY is in a raging bull market, now at 20-year highs, multi-decade highs, and crypto is in one of the worst bear markets we've ever seen. Let's get this crypto. Just is what it is, and I'm pointing it out here on this stream that right now, at the time of recording, we have seen another bullish pattern play out here on the DXY. I told you this, if you are subscribed to this channel, to watch out for a potential bullish cup and handle pattern formation here on the DXY. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it appears we are possibly breaking out of this pattern right now. And if we are to get up to the measured move, this would bring us up to about a 110. Okay, currently we've tested as high as a 107. Right now, at the time of recording, we're just a little bit below that. But keep it in mind, folks, if this thing continues to rip higher, it could continue to apply bearish pressure to Bitcoin and the crypto market as a whole. Now, if we come over here to the Bitcoin chart, let's just take a look at what's going on right now. We've been consolidating sideways after a massive break to the downside from the 30K region. Ladies and gentlemen, you all should be very well aware, if you are subscribed to this channel, that I was pointing out, if we break down from 30K, 20K is the target. Just plain and simple. Why is that? It was our 2017 all-time high peak. Then we consolidated briefly here on the run-up in 2020. This is the only level of support inside this entire range. And what do you know? Whoopsies! We dropped right down to that range, and here we are, bouncing around, chopping around, consolidating as would be expected, just like we did up here at 30K. Why? Massive move to the downside, followed up by consolidation at the only area in the trend that we have prior historic price action. Let's get this crypto. It's the same thing, right? This up here is very, very similar to what's going on right here in the current day. This type of sideways consolidation is normal. And in crypto land, yes, the consolidations are made up of semi-large swings. It depends how you want to look at it. 20% moves within a volatile, choppy, sideways range of consolidation is normal in crypto. I mean, just take a look up here at the 30K range. We went up 20%. Then if you take this, we drop it. You went down over 10%, then back up almost 15%, then back down 10%, finally only to drop deep down for a minus 40% plus correction. So in the current day here right now, I mean, folks, the Bitcoin price has gone nowhere in quite some time. We've gone 20% up. We've gone 15% down. Right now, we're going almost 20% up. Meanwhile, the price is not advancing. The trend is not advancing. Do you understand what I'm saying? We're stuck in the same general area with no trend movement. The direction of the trend is no different than what it's been, right? And that's down. We're still on a lower high trajectory. We are still also on a lower low trajectory. What do you know, ladies and gentlemen? That's classic bear market activity. Lower high after lower high, lower low after lower low, and nothing has changed here yet. But what really is alarming to me, folks, is that right now you have so many people in this space that are desperate, absolutely desperate for Bitcoin to do something to hopefully recoup the losses that they've had here over the past several months. That every little candlestick to the upside, bottom is in, Kirby. Bottom is in, Kirby. Get wrecked, Kirby. What's wrong with these people, ladies and gentlemen? Do they not understand how markets work? You're going to get reaction rallies over and over again in a bear market, Stunad. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's almost painful for me to have to even come on here and make these videos, because all that's left in this market, in my opinion, are the stupidest of the stupidest in this market. The dumbest of the dumb. All of the smart money has essentially taken profit up here and is awaiting for things to turn around. Then you have the people who have been shorting and absolutely crushing this market to the downside from a trading perspective, understanding that the market is in a downturn, that the global economic situation is not good. We have a rate hiking cycle in the US. Global inflation is running amok. The equities markets are down. Commodities are wishy-washy at best now. You have oil dumping, you have natural gas dumping, and all the while, these moon boys are still here on every little green candle to the upside, saying, get wrecked, Kirby, the bottom is in, Kirby, the bottom is in. Ladies and gentlemen, it almost to me is embarrassing to be a part of this space right now. And the reason I say that is because when you're looking at it from a trading perspective, yeah, it's great. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know that I've been shorting this trend the whole way down. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. Absolutely crushing this market. But that's not what people think, right? When you say that you're in crypto. Crypto right now has two types of people left. People that are shorting and playing the trend to the downside, and those who have been absolutely wrecked and are holding and praying that something good happens because they hold such a large bag at such a large loss that they're staring 1 inch away from their computer screen, huffing and puffing. Oh, Kirby, look, the bottom is in. Are you brain dead? I mean, I hate to even say it like that, but are you literally brain dead? That's why I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't even been streaming now for what, a week? I need some time to cool off here because, I mean, when I'm looking at these charts, these are just candlesticks to me, okay? There's no emotion inside these candlesticks. I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 0. I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 10 million per coin. It's irrelevant. What's relevant is the chart and where the trading opportunity is setting up. Do you understand? It doesn't matter where it goes, up or down, 0 or 10 million. None of it matters. And right now, what I'm seeing in this market are people that are just too emotionally connected. And to be honest with you, I've been taking some time off because the fact of the matter is that we're just in a sideways chopping range. Sure, we had what could have been a little bit of a bear flag here. It appears that we've broken out to the upside, but look, just remove this pennant for a moment, okay? Let's look at it in a different way. Just understand it doesn't have to be so emotional. The pennant's broke out, Kirby. The bottom is in. No, you stupid degenerate. Just look at this. We're still in a sideways chopping range here. You understand? It's literally, in my opinion, the exact same as this up here. Nothing has changed, okay? So it doesn't really matter that the price has gone up 10, 15%, then down 10, 15%. The trend is not advancing, okay? And when you're in these moves, it can be a stair-stepping pattern to the downside. Maybe we do shoot up a bit here. The thing to watch out for, though, in my opinion, is this Keltner Channels indicator, which you could see right now. This thing has been pinpoint accurate the entire bear trend. You understand? Look at this. We found resistance at the top of the Keltner channel on the 1-day time frame, this entire bear market, okay? Right now, we are in the top band right now. Also, we do have possible resistance there on a price level standpoint. So for me right now, seeing that, Kirby, it broke the pennant to the downside. Well, first off, Stunad, the pennant to the downside, we would have been looking for a bear flag. Okay, because why? We're in a bearish market. looking for bearish patterns. We're not looking for bullish patterns in a raging bear market. You understand how ridiculous that is? Okay, so right now, sure, the pennant did break to the upside. So, okay, pretty much that pennant, from a bearish perspective, negated. But just take a look at it from a different angle. Maybe this whole thing is the bear flag here, a sideways bear flag, just as it was up here before. Let's get this crypto. All right, and we are right now, from a Keltner channel's perspective, in the range where we could see some sell pressure come back in. And the reason that I opened the video with the US dollar index chart is because we are seeing that chart absolutely skyrocket, and we are coming up into a range of potential resistance here for the Bitcoin price. So you have the US dollar index on a blue sky breakout, breaking out of a bullish cup and handle pattern, okay? And you have crypto, which just because a few days of green candles have appeared on the chart, Kirby, the bottom is in. This guy got wrecked. He didn't even post a video because he had a trade that he got out at a 1% loss trying to short this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, right? Maybe I'm not going to post for a few days more. I mean, in this type of sideways chop, there really is nothing for me to even comment on, right? What am I going to do? Come on here and yell at the Moon Boys every day and talk about how absolutely malfunctioning their brains are? I mean, look, there's not much going on here. There's not much to talk about. Just look at the macro, okay? The US dollar index, the equities market, right? And what do you know? With this rise in the Bitcoin price here over the past week, just take a look at the S&P 500 chart here. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, what do you know? Doesn't this look similar? Huge drop to the downside, followed by sideways consolidation and chop with, what do you know, over the past week, a rise to the upside. Let's get this crypto. Looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin, unfortunately, has almost, in my opinion, become a tech stock. It's trading almost in perfect unison with the US equities market, okay? So is it really that far-fetched to think that Bitcoin is having a good week when over the exact same time frame, the S&P 500 has been on a bear market rally as well? Let's get this crypto. You can see, ladies and gentlemen, that, I mean, I'm fired up today as usual, but the thing is there's really nothing to report on here for Bitcoin, in my opinion. I just don't see really any new trade setup ideas presenting themselves to me at this very specific moment. I need to see what happens here with this chop, right? It's just chop until it's not. I'm looking for the large flush moves in the market. I'm not here to trade for a soup and a sandwich. I'm here for the whole entire restaurant. Okay, and right now, there's really not a restaurant type of trade setup idea, in my opinion. Right now, at best, you're trying to gamble against the bots in this range, right? And you guys see, we had this beautiful potential Adam and Eve double top on the 4-hour time frame. Then once we dropped below, the bot said, nah, they squeezed it, they short squeezed it, they move it sideways. And right now, we're kind of just floating along here with no trend progression. So, I mean, when we start to see things moving again, sure, I'll be back here, but you have to understand that I uploaded what, maybe 20 videos in 25 days, something like that, when the market was moving aggressively here, right? And there were trade setup ideas to be taken, right? And I was shorting from above 27,000, and then I was shorting Ethereum video after video, update after update. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, for now, that's come to an end. Okay, I'm sorry if you missed all of this crazy action. It's, for now, has come to an end, just as it came to an end up here at the 30K range after this move from 46,000 to 30K. Now we had the move, and now we're seeing nothing again. So until the trend shows us what's going to happen, I'm just going to sit back, remain cool, calm, and collected, and to wait for the next potentially juicy trade setup idea to present itself to me. And of course, I will continue to keep you all up to date in absolute real time with all of my trade setup ideas, entry ideas, strategy ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that, as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you're not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you inside VIP right now after this video. But ladies and gentlemen, I guess that's going to wrap it up. If you did enjoy here today, a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm would be greatly appreciated. I appreciate that. If you're brand new, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. I mean, let's just see what happens here, folks. It still might be a bear flag to the downside, right? The pennant, sure, pennant changed. But it's still, just like this one up here, it might be a horizontal bear flag, okay? Just understand, we're still on a lower high trajectory, still on a lower low trajectory. Macroeconomic situation, no good in my opinion. U.S. interest rates, still in a hiking cycle until proven otherwise. U.S. dollar index, still ripping higher and higher on a blue sky breakout until proven otherwise. All of this is negative for the crypto market, in my opinion. We're in a bear market. We're having a little bear market reactionary rally here, if you can even call it that. That's what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, right? People are here. Bitcoin is rallying. The bottom is in. The dawn is wrecked. No, the dawn is not wrecked. Jesus, I got to get off here, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. When something actually happens in the market, I'll be back. Until then, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine. Then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell / long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and/or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.